Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or Eye Comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So scroll and find display and brightness. And here we have to localize the eye care. You can turn it on just by using the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can customize it also. Simply tap on this option, and as you can see, you've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's of course up to you which intensity is the most comfortable for you. You can also custom the schedule, so you can schedule this feature. Just tap on this option, and you can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time just by swiping and confirm it, and of course your device will apply the eye comfort mode between the specific hours which you've just set, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and it basically means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and the off is the manual option. So that was the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find a proper icon. So let me unroll this option fully to find it, and as you can see here, you've got the eye care. If you cannot find it, no worries, just tap on this plus icon and choose it from the list. So all you have to do is to tap on it to activate it, and you can see that the screen changes, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.